वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चैनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हजे कुकिंग चॅनलाचे. होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग वेल. So today I am going to show you all how to make a recipe that is custard with egg. So one egg. It's a quick recipe. I'll be taking around 3 tablespoons of custard powder for 3 cups of milk. So 3 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of custard powder. You can, if it is you want thick custard, then you can use 4 tablespoons also of custard powder. Then this is like around 4 tablespoons of sugar, little bit of vanilla essence, and little bit of clarified butter, that is ghee. Measurements is easily available, and we need some like this. I am using it because it's a small quantity. If you are making bigger quantity, then you can use bigger mold. So this is like just use and throw mold. I'll have to grease it with ghee, and measurements, all measurements are easily available on Amazon. A few drops of vanilla essence also I'll be using. Garnishing, you can use some strawberries, and these are soaked sabja, that is basil seeds. We call it falooda also. So this is for garnishing, that is after it is come out of the fridge. So let's start. So we take this 3 cups of milk. Three cups of milk. Then we need a half cup of milk more to mix the custard powder in cold milk. Add this sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4 is enough. Few of vanilla drops. And now we will keep this to give a boil. So let this get boil. Okay. So I have taken 3 tablespoons of custard powder in this milk, and I am just mixing this. This is cold milk. See that there is no lumps. And this here. Few drops of vanilla. And we'll break our egg and keep ready. So if you are taking 6 cups of milk, then 2 eggs. So the milk is hot, and now we will add our custard. And mix this. Check the sweetness. Yeah, it is sweet. So at this point, the milk is not very hot, not very cold, but it is hot. So I am adding the egg, full egg, and then we have to mix this and mix this. Now mix this. We have to mix this till it becomes nice thick. So this recipe is same how you make thick custard, only we are adding egg in this. Now why you don't add it when it is boiling, it will get cooked fast. So that time it will be like, I don't know what, but when it is not boiling, that time you have to add the milk. Follow this and you will get a perfect custard. So now it is becoming thick, so let it become thick. At this point, we'll add 1 small teaspoon of clarified butter, that is ghee. And we'll now put off the gas. It is thick enough. Of the gas. So this is, I've already greased, and we will add this hot in this. Pour this. And let it get set. First let it get cool down, and then you can decorate it, put it in fridge for around 6 hours, and so now I will leave it like this only, and then I will show you the result. That is now tomorrow. It's very hot. Okay, so catch you tomorrow. So here is the final result. Now we can decorate this as and how you want. So I will put this sabja basil leaf, sabja in Hindi, basil seeds in English. It tastes very nice with this. We also known it as falooda. Then you put this and decorate it with some strawberries. Strawberries are my favorite. So enjoy this. And do let me know how it is. And just cut this. Scoop it out. Do try this recipe. Thank you so much. Bye bye, Guru.